When you look at the effects of globalization over the last 30 or 40 years, and you look at the fact that the exchange and specialization and the relatively open trade has led to reduced prices, greater innovations, greater access to products, and it has helped raise millions of people around the world out of poverty and have a better life. One of the things we see from the export controls that have limited the ability of the American semiconductor industry to sell non-sensitive technology to Huawei and other Chinese companies is that there's a failure to look at the direct impact on the United States and really understand that they're not accomplishing what they're trying to accomplish. Huawei was purchasing about $12 billion a year in non-sensitive components from the American semiconductor industry. So this contributed to approximately 40,000 jobs in a direct sense and indirectly contributed to thousands of other jobs. The rip and replace process that's been mandated by the US government for the small carriers that Huawei serves in the United States, serving about 1.2 million underserved people. The rip and replace is going to be very difficult to handle. It's going to be very expensive. It's going to differ between those various companies. And it's going to require those expenses of ripping out. It's going to require expenses of replacing, and it's going to require additional operational costs. And it's very difficult to estimate those right now. The fact is you can't just throw money at these problems. The fact is that the connectivity that is so important for rural America is at risk right now, and it's not necessary.